Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Syahada binti Alias and I am going to explain about clinic management system that will be used for user. In this code, we have 4 classes, which are class person, class patient as 10%, class doctor as 10%, and class appointment as 10%. Class person is a main class and class patient as 10%, class doctor as 10%, and class appointment as 10% is a subclass. In this code, we use override method for class patient as 10%, class doctor as 10%, and class appointment as 10%. In Java, method overriding occurs when a subclass, child class, has the same method as the parent class.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Aimarda binti Rozaki. My matric number 13DDT22F1043. I'm going to continue to class appointment extend doctor. In residency year, public appointment, string name, in age, string gender, string doctor ID, string specialization in residency year. For superclass, name, age, gender, doctor ID, specialization. This for residency year, this residency year. We also use override public void display info, super.display info, system.out.println residency year plus residency year. For the main class, we use public class person main, public static void main string args. And then we create example and test classes. Patient, new patient, IN 20, female, P001, doctor, new doctor, Dr. Shu 13, female, D001, scoliosis, appointment, new appointment, Dr. Siti 14, female, RD001, physiotherapy. For system.out.println, patient information, doctor information, and resident doctor information. And then catch number format exception E. Last, for output, we have patient information, which is name IN, age 20, gender female, patient ID P001. Doctor information, name Dr. Shu, age 13, gender female, doctor ID D001, specialization scoliosis. Resident doctor information, name Dr. Siti, age 40, gender female, doctor ID RD001, specialization physiotherapy, residency year 3. Thank you.